Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a project share with my winnings from Wondubar Crafts, the butterfly birds and bloom kit. And so when I talked to you all last, I showed you all the projects. I showed you that I cut this out on a scanning cut. I also fussy cut a few of them, but I've laminated them so you can see that shine. So I laminated them, and since it is more for storage, what I did is I took a strip of double-sided tape, and I took four what are these ribbons from this bulky thing. Quite sure if I was very crafty I could upcycle this, but I'm just gonna throw in trash. So I went from this to this, and so now what I can do is drop this in my little traveler bag if I'm doing a project with blue, white, or even sea theme, because I like sea stuff, right? And drop it in my craft bag, and now I have more space to put more stuff in, whereas with this one, kind of out of space. And this is not a lot of, it's not a lot on here. It's only 2 feet, so yep, that is something too. So it's 2 feet on all of them. And then when you do swaps with your friends, you can use your washi, wrap it around, and then once they use all the washi up, they can actually use this for something else. It's like a gift that keeps giving, because it is laminated. It's not just plain paper. And then I have some more projects. I'm going to try to release a few projects every couple of days or so, because it's the things you can do with these kits are endless. You can print them out as many times as you want, so that's a good thing. And then I made this cute little book for my aunt. So let's look at the little side. Now I'll tell you, I did not want to go with this thing at first. I wanted to do a wrap around, but I need to research that some more, obviously. But it didn't come out how I wanted to. So this is the front. I printed it out, stamped these cute little butterflies on there. Cute butterfly. I used some Dollar Tree stickers because I felt like this would go in with the kit, the birds in the kit, and I could just do it. And then on the back it says hello, smile, fabulous, cheer, and some more little stickers and stamp. I didn't want to go crazy with the butterfly stamp, so that's how it looks. I really wanted to go over because I want this to be able to go into my aunt's purse versus kind of sitting like that. So I'm going to have to figure that out before I give it to her. I'll probably just put it under a heavy book or something, but this is how it looks when you open it. And then you see I have these things. I'm going to have to take those off. We'll see. So then it has this laminated nothings in there. I was going to put a little pocket there, but I changed my mind. Then it says goals and note to self. Then it has this little pocket, not a pocket, a note spot where you can write notes. A quick jot list. And this is not for her to keep forever. This is just to throw in the purse in case she needs to write stuff down. And it says reminder, important, don't forget. And right here, if you can see, this is another little stamp, this cute little bird stamp. And this is an Inka Dinka Doo. Inka Dinka Doo, I feel like always does like hidden inscription or something like that. Because this bird has a lot of cute little swirls in it. And then right here we have start each day with a grateful heart. And I got these out of little planner kit I got from Tuesday morning. And then this right here is a little note card, some pocket project life or the pocket cards. And it says make today count, make today count. And then another journaling, because I wanted her to have a lot of space to write little notes down. Don't forget, it's not meant to be as beautiful as it is, in my opinion. I love it. I really like it. I left these out because yeah, I'm mad at myself. I need to learn how to do other closures. But this says my list, and I have all these little things going around. You can't see them, but they're gold arrows, and then this little notepad on the side. So it's only one signature. It's only like 4 pages. And then right here has a little tuck spot for her to put in her receipts if she wants to put, a pocket, not a tuck spot. Her receipts if she wants to put receipts in, or maybe a quick note or something. Her cleaners tab, she does dry cleaning, so she can put a cleaners tab in here. And then right here's a little tuck spot where she can tuck stuff in too, she likes. And then over here it says note. It says dream big, big dreams and grand schemes. And I put this on crooked by mistake. And you can't pick it off of paper. And right here it says enjoy little things, and right here I poked the hole too hard through the paper, and then here's another little tuck spot. Then it says never give up right here, and then it closes. I may actually take this off, I don't know, I might leave it on because it's cute, I guess. And that is that. So this is just a few things that I have in my head. I do plan on doing maybe like 2 more projects, two to 3 more projects, I think, at a minimum 2. So I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed. I'll leave Wondubar Crafts information description box. Go over to her Etsy shop and like it. Follow her and see what she's going to be creating in the upcoming weeks, months, and even years. Until next time, happy crafting.